Okay, this is the picker. This is the start. The wool comes in, gets broken apart, thrown into that hole. The machine spins. Wool comes out. It's awful cold out here to be running machinery. But you can see it throwing those little pieces of wool out. There's about a 2,500 pound pile of raw wool. Goes through there. From there, it gets pitched by hand into this feeding machine. Goes up on the spikes over the top, and that comb there takes it into a band of wool that drops down into the first scouring train. I've drained these because it's really cold out. Goes through the scouring train into the wringer, knocks out the dirty water, runs into a rinse bowl. This is the second rinse, or the first rinse bowl. It's about 30 foot long. Goes through another wringer into a second rinse bowl. We scour between 160 and about 200 degrees of water. Cleans the lanolin out and the dirt and the grease and stuff. This is the final tank. We put polybore in here and soak the wool in it at about a 5% solution concentration. Runs through the wringer. From there, it goes on to this conveyor. It drops down off there. I've got the conveyor out of place to clean the drains. It's dried on this conveyor. Comes out. We can put it on another conveyor, or we usually just put it on the feeder on this, which I don't have attached because I was putting new bearings in. And this picks the wool and takes it and shreds it, cleans it out, knocks the chaff out, loosens it up. From there, it can either go into the carding setup or into the insulation setup with the Vortex. This is the Vortex machine. These little knives right here are about $8,400 a set. It takes the wool, goes from big pieces of wool into little pieces of wool, which gets blowed into your house or attic or whatever you're using.